she goes and breaks his heart, would you catch him when he falls apart? No, I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, but I know good and well at the end of the day I'm living on prayers my parents prayed. Y'all glad you had somebody praying for you? Make him tough and make him strong, let him do more right than he does wrong, and work hard for every dollar he brings home. Help him not to lose his cool the way that I used to do. And when he don't know where to turn, help him turn to you. No, I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, but I know good and well at the end of the day I'm living on prayers my parents prayed. Oh yeah, prayers my parents prayed. They kept this on mine between the lines. I know that I wouldn't be the man I am without a couple pair of folded hands. Every midnight bedside whisper from a hardwood floor. You can call it luck or call it fate, but I know good and well at the end of the day I'm living on prayers my parents prayed. Vision 4's, y'all keep praying, because I don't care what anybody says. I still believe